Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic. My topic is webkit.com. Teach English online, earn 14 to $22 an hour from the comfort of home. Teach when you want, set your own schedule and work on your own time. No minimum or requirements. Learn more about teaching arts. No lesson planning. We provide the lesson plan with our best in class curriculum. You just focus on teaching, learn more about teacher requirements. About VIPT teacher as a global leader in English in online English education, WebKit classroom where all children feel connected to their we have grown to almost 1,000 lakh students on our platform. Student community continues to grow. So does our latter OAP teacher is the most powerful teaching network in our 2000 20,000 teachers to different job opportunities. Can professional development. Here from teacher like you, what I love most about WebKit is that it gets to the teaching. The teacher in me finds to find so much joy in this job. I do not spend recess duty. I do not have the paperwork demands. I just teach. I do not have recess duty. I do not have the paperwork demands. I just teach. That's amazing. Also feel likely my review of the world has matured and grown. This experience has made me a more well-rounded person. I am first and foremost a teacher, and VIP Kit is the most rewarding opportunity I have had an education. I am able to stay home with my daughter and continue to do what I love while impacting students' lives. So, guys, teachers are not the only ones talking about top 10 best places to work the more innovation. The affiliate program of the VIPkid.com. Affiliate program of the VIPkid.com. Become a VIP affiliate. How it's work. दोस्तों आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर काम कैसे कर सकते हैं. Steps number 1. Fill out an application to join VIP Kids affiliate program. No need to be a VIP Kid teacher. Point number 2. Step number 2. Promote. Share your affiliate link with your audience across your website and social media channels. Steps number 3. Earn. अब इसके ऊपर अर्निंग कैसे कर सकते हैं. Every time a new teacher, your affiliate link you shall. Why partner with us? The need for online teachers has never been greater. VIPKit is the world's largest online English learning community with over 1 million students around the world. As we continue to grow, so does our demand for teachers. As an affiliate, you shall help VIPKit continue our growth by recruiting qualified teachers to education children and grow our global classroom. In return, you shall earn a commission for every teacher who sign up through your promotions. Join us on our mission to inspire every child through the power of the education. Affiliate program. So guys, refill program of the VIPkit.com. United to create a global classroom, blogging is at our course with our founder and CEO, Cindy M. My first set out to start VIP Kid. She invoiced a global where everyone from all walks of life could come together and learn from one another. This ethos is what draws of employees, teachers, students, and families to VIP Kid. To create a global classroom where all are welcomed to learn, we must continue to look at our diversity and in practices in all areas of our business. Our leaders' commitment to organizational growth and development in the provide support from employees, which impacts the experience of the student and teacher on the platform. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.